everybody, what's up? It's your girl Monty Tiana, and I'm back at y'all today with another install video featuring Tinashe hair. These are the products that I'll be using today to successfully install this unit. Included in the packaging, they sent over a bomb-ass goodie bag, guys, with a ton of supplies. Here's their contact information in case you also like to check them out on social media. Inside of the packaging, they sent over a really cute blue satin bonnet that will help keep the tresses intact. They also sent over some really cute mink lashes that I can't wait to give a try. I have this wig cap and a cute turban that I can't wait to try either. Okay, so let's get right into this wig, okay, y'all? Like, right out of the packaging, I'm gonna give this wig a 10 out of 10. This wig was pre-plucked, it didn't have a smell, and it was extremely soft to the touch, guys. Like, wow. I could have literally taken this wig out of the packaging and put it on and go. Like, I don't need to go ahead and do all the extra stuff that I'm gonna do today, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I mean, if you know me, you know I'm a little extra. Okay, so anyway, I went ahead and removed the wig combs right out of the packaging because I'm not going to be using them at all at any point with this wig. There's 4 wig combs in total, so we just removed them all. And then we used some Got2b spray on the closure to prevent it from getting stained from watercoloring. If you guys want to see this process, let me know down below and I can film a separate video for that. I'm then going to go ahead and spray some Got2b using a toothbrush to remove any hairs from laying on the lace before bleaching the knots so that they won't get bleached there. I'm going to be using quick glue in a mixing bowl with equal parts of developer to bleach the knots. Again, if you guys like a more detailed video on that, let me know and I can create that content as well. I then went ahead and spread the bleach all over the lace just to let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off. And I'm using cool water to actually rinse the bleach off, and then I'll follow up with some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and conditioner to tone the knots. Wow. Y'all, this install is finna be fire. I can just tell by the way that this lace is matching my skin, by the way that it's giving scalp. It's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? I am applying my Ghost Bond today with a wooden stick. I got these sticks from my local beauty supply store. I actually got a pack of 30 for about $4 or $5. And these sticks definitely come in handy when it comes to evenly distributing the product for an easier application. It makes the process so much easier when you don't have clumps of glue all over your forehead. So yeah, definitely try to use a product or a tool that's easier to apply, whatever works for you. I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 or 3 layers of glue just to make sure that my wig lasts me for about a week or 2. I don't want it to last too long, so I probably only do 2 layers just so that it's easier to come off when it's that time to do another review. And then once my glue has dried clear, I just go ahead and kind of like comb my hair into the lace, if that makes sense. But I kind of like press the back of the comb at the beginning of the hairline to kind of apply pressure before cutting the lace. I went ahead and cut it in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of cut it jagged to make a more natural or realistic hairline. And then I'll just let you guys follow what I'm doing from here on out. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just making some baby hairs and, you know, kind of laying the lace. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and drop that down below in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to get back to you guys. If there's any videos that you'd like to see, don't forget to, again, leave that down below as well so I can get this content created and rolling out for you all. Don't forget to also hit that bell icon so that you're always up to date on my videos. And yeah, check me out on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll be back at the next video. Bye. everybody, thank you so much for tuning into another one of my videos. It's your girl Mani Tiana, and I'm back at you guys with consistent content. Can we get a yay for that? This wig is a 5x5 closure wig that I got from Tinashe. I think that this hair took really well to bleaching the knots. I did have to bleach the knots twice, but overall I think that it definitely looks like scalp. It's just, it's giving. Like, let me show you guys the ends. This is the ends of the hair. I didn't put anything in it other than the mousse that you guys see me apply on camera. I'm waiting for it to dry so I can actually run my fingers through it and make it really big. Be sure to check out my Instagram. I'll post more pictures of this wig there. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, again, don't hesitate to leave any of that down below, and I'll be right with you. Bye.